In this video, I'm going to show you one of my listings in the South Bronx. Now, this is located at 430 East 144th Street. This has been in the market for close to a year, maybe over a year. This is a 3-family house, 3 over 2 over 2. Now, this property is a townhome style. Looks like a brownstone. It's all attached. Now, one of the reasons, or a few reasons why it hasn't sold, number one, it's because the rent rolls are very, very low. And the square footage is about 1,800, so it's not a massive place. Now, we received many offers, but the offers have been very, very low. And the market right here is really for, what I mean here in the South Bronx is really for investors. Now, investors calculate everything based off of profit and margin, and if it doesn't make sense number wise, they're not going to go for it. So we have an opportunity, well, we have an opportunity to relist this again and reduce the price, and now we have it listed for $880,000 for a 3-family house. The nice thing is that the utilities are all separate. So I'm going to go over each unit and show you what it looks like. Now, this is great for investors, just in case if they want to see it and if they're interested. Okay guys, so this is 430 East 144th Street is the red one right here. So the layout is a 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-family home, and then there's a crawl space. There are all separate units, boilers, electrical meters. So let's go check this out. We're here. This is the 3-bedroom.
A bedroom, somebody sleeping. And then, can you show me the rest?
Yeah, so this is 3. So this is
small ones.
Okay.
This is the bathroom.
This is the
They
bathroom.
just renewed this, that's all.
alright.
Okay.
Then we have bedroom number 2.
You hold your cat.
Hi.
This is.
Can I pop in, ladies? Thank you.
Yeah,
Is this indicative of like what all the bedroom sizes are?
this is
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this.
And then,
Right?
You have one more. You can just push the door.
I can just push the door.
Yeah.
Thank you. You know.
alright.
Okay.
Alright, let me just take a little video.
So anything you want to let me know?
Okay, so this is another one.
The stairs can go up.
And then that leads to the roof, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's.
So this is unit 2. Right here, this is the living room, kitchen.
They didn't get me, so it's okay. And then
Yeah.
we have what else? Bedroom numbers.
That's bedroom number 1.
Don't worry about it. Okay.
Then we have bedroom number 2 here.
So this is 2 bedrooms. 'Cause that has
2
the
bedrooms.
bathroom. So this
Yeah,
is
and then the bathroom is here as well.
Upstairs is 3 bedrooms.
Alright, so this is the living room here. This is the main floor. We have the kitchen here. Okay.
She said it's the same room next to it, but that's where the dog went.
Yeah.
So the yep, yeah, we hear this. He's in there.
Big dog in the bathroom.
Oh, the
All right, can I
I
just?
think he's in the bathroom.
And then just put it in. Okay. No, I'm sorry. I'm in your way. All right, so this is
Throw that
bedroom.
company away because it's company.
and
You
there's
know
another
who?
one.
I live here too, right? And then this is the bedroom. So about the same size, yeah.
I don't want to get your daughter if she could cover herself, so I could just put her. Yeah. This is the second bedroom. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So,
We're gonna see the other.
So let's go see the mechanic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right.
I appreciate
Thank you.
Happy Sunday.
God bless you. All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
Let's go.
All right.
Key to allow us access downstairs.
Oh, that's the key right there. Look at that.
It works. Key is the key.
Is it still broken? The
last two.
last two?
Oh, there.
right.
Broken there.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you cut the light on? Now that I don't do. There we go.
All right.
I play with the dogs. I don't play with the dogs.
Gotcha.
And that's two things I don't go to: sub basements and dark basements. That's where I draw the line. You're on your own there, buddy.
Yeah.
So we have meters, third floor, first floor, second floor. Gas meters, so it's gas. It's on
These are gas.
They're on gas lines, so those are the gas meters. Electric meters, okay. So you have a common meter, and then you have the meter for each unit. And then we have, what else do we have? Boiler. Okay. So we have a boiler for each unit. Yeah, they do.
Yeah, separate.
Yeah, they're separate. No, I just want to make sure I know where I'm stepping. Because if down goes Frazier, I weigh 170 pounds. I know what you bench. Somebody's going to have to pick me up and carry me.
Oh, man. So these are all separate. Yeah.
Uh-uh.